Will copywriting be replaced by AI? Everybody's asking this question, and the answer isn't what most people think, because basic AI isn't replacing expert copywriting, but expert copywriting is being transformed into something completely different. Coming up, we'll break down the evolution that's actually happening with AI and copywriting, and why most people using AI right now are using it completely backwards.
Here's what's happening right now. People are trying to use AI for copywriting. They open a chat window, type, "Write me a sales letter," get something back that looks like copy. And it doesn't work. It's generic, surface level, missing the psychological triggers. The strategic sequencing is off. Critical elements are missing or in the wrong order. So they blame AI. AI can't write good copy, but that's not really what's happening. The problem isn't AI. The problem is they're using AI without any expert framework guiding it. They're asking it to create something from nothing, with no proven structure, no tested formula, no strategic knowledge behind it. On the flip side, you have expert human copywriters. They know the psychology, they understand the proven structures, they can create copy that converts, but they charge thousands of dollars and take weeks to deliver. So here's the evolution that's actually happening. Expert copywriters who've spent years testing and validating their methods are building that knowledge into systems, not just use AI and hope, but structured processes where the expertise is embedded into every step. This is completely different from someone randomly prompting AI, because the system guides you through proven formulas, asks the right questions, structures the information correctly, implements psychological principles at each stage. Think about what's really valuable in expert copywriting. It's not the typing, it's the decisions. Which pain points to emphasize, how to structure the psychological flow, where to place objection handling, when to introduce price, how to frame the guarantee. These strategic decisions are what separate copy that converts from copy that flops. Random AI can't make these decisions because it doesn't understand strategy. A human without training can't make these decisions because they don't know the principles. But a system built by an expert that builds in each decision, that captures the real value. The AI handles execution speed. The system provides strategic direction. You get expert-level results without needing expert-level knowledge yourself. You're not figuring it out yourself. You're not learning copywriting from scratch. The expert knowledge is already built into the framework you're using. This is what's actually replacing traditional copywriting, not random AI, not amateur hour with chat prompts, but systematized expert knowledge that produces professional results without requiring you to become an expert yourself. The catch is this: building that kind of system requires real expertise, years of testing, validated formulas. You can't just throw prompts at AI and call it a system. The strategic knowledge has to be baked in from someone who actually knows what they're doing. So will copywriting be replaced by AI? Basic prompting won't replace expert copywriters, but expert knowledge converted into systematic processes, that's the transformation happening right now. If you want to dive deeper into systematic copywriting that actually converts, check out the link in the description. I've put together something that takes everything in this series and makes it actionable. See you in the next video.